gonna do a cold start on this truck. So I'm gonna start by putting my hand on the turbo so you can see it's nice and cold. And then we'll go around to the inside. I'm gonna just turn the key so you can see the glow plugs, the wait to start. Here's all the gauges. And then I'm gonna have Jason hop in and start it up for us.